How is it going, everybody? It's SG2413. Very excited to do the second ever double unboxing. And I'm doing it along with these following people.
You know who I am.
No, we do not!
Yes, you do.
Oh, it's 13 selfies on your Yes.
Okay, say your names.
I am not normal. I'm Third Car Fan 2002, who's currently in Florida right now.
Nice. And the person who I'm doing the double unboxing with is other than...
You know who I am.
No, we do not! Is that an offer?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Anyway, Suke, say your name. If he even heard me.
I forgot to say mine. Wilmington, Ohio, EAS.
Alright, Mr. Suitcase.
What?
It's your turn.
Yeah?
I need mental help.
I already got my name.
Alright, then. It's Ashley.
It's Third Car Fan 2002. It was on the last day.
Ashley's camera's loading, so I guess
I can see her camera.
I cannot. But
I can
anyway.
see her camera too.
Anyway, we also have Weather Radio Guru also in the call.
I can see her camera.
Anyway, we're also joined by... Hold on. We're also joined by Antonio Siri, SBC Jefferson 1030, and SBC Torcon, or EAS Torcon 1000. So, also, Drew, what were you saying? Oh, Jesus. So, I can't see your camera for... Hold on. My Discord is not working. Alright, there we go. So, I'm just gonna... No! Anyway, let's do... Ashley! So, here is the radio. So, there's nothing in these. So, without any interruptions, the radio Drew is unboxing over here is the
Vector V.
It's the purple
Why? Okay, Vector. Okay, Vector VC3. Okay, whatever I'm saying. Vector VEC438, and I have the IMA WR-200A. So, let's do it. Oh God. It's Peyton. It's Peyton, not that. Alright. I heard that, by the way. So, here it is. The radio definitely is a very tiny radio. And that's also what she said. I mean, what? Oh, no! Anyway, let's raise the antenna up, which looks a lot like the Honeywell's, sort of. What? Anyways, this is going insanely devious right now. So, oh Jesus. So,
This is the ultimate devious.
yeah. Also, with every radio, let's press all the buttons to wish the radio good luck. I didn't. So, why? So, let's do this. You better not finish it. Anyway, there's the model number. Oh, God. So it also takes a 9-volt battery. There we go. So, here we go. Let's power this on in 3, 2, 1. And I'm pretty sure it's off, so there we go. So, Drew, you have yours up?
Yeah, I'm getting them out right now.
Okay, why? No! Anyway, why is the camera not working? Hold on.
Landon here attempted to mod this thing, but that failed.
Well, mega rip.
Yeah.
So, I don't know why, but every time...
My version 5 Deluxe WR-200, which I'll show you the size this thing has here in a minute.
Anyway, every single time. No! Okay, I'm gonna have to repetitively, and I mean repetitively, do this. So, no! Okay, so, let's just experiment. There we go. So, there we go. Sounds nice. Alright, so... Oh, God! Alright, so... There we go. It's on LED and alarm, so... Why not do the alert test on this? Ready? Alright, yeah, you've already heard that. It sounds like... Let's see it. No! Anyway. But yeah, that's also... That definitely sounds like the 74109, and probably the one of... Anyway, with that cutout, there we go. So, this will be a cool add-on. So, now what? Anyway, I have 16 other branded radios now. So, there we go. Yeah. I don't know. Anyway, so that pretty much is it for my part. And is Drew done unboxing his, or... Wait, Drew, do you still have yours?
Huh?
Are you still unboxing?
Yeah, I'm currently putting the batteries in.
Oh, alright.
No, he's setting the batteries up, savage.
Hi! Hi! Anyway.
I'm so looking up, please. Don't. I don't want your life to be cursed.
Oh, boy.
Alright, now...
Anyways.
Why? It's not like we're making this public
What?
cursed.
Look at your chat. I said something funny about this.
Oh, God.
Bum.
Dirt Car Fan 2002! Explain this! Explain this, Dirt Car Fan.
Okay, no. I'm not going there.
Anyways, Drew, I'm almost out of, like, my time limit for YouTube, so I might have to stop this.
Alright, that's fine.
But anyway, yeah. I was pretty much joined by these following people.
Fuzzy.
Which you know.
Now for the back. Now we need to find where. Here's the battery.
I'm gonna stop now.
Drew's
Oh,
unboxing,
no.
and then
Yeah.
what?
Let the radio go, though.
All right.
Oh, wow.
Oh God, Ashley.
Oh god.
Is that?
Hey, who turned it? I'm lost.
Uh-oh.
Nah, just kidding. It's just me.
You know, maybe.
It's actually... What?
No!
You say I'm the fucking penis? It's actually the penis. I mean, what?
Oh Jesus.
Just working.
Anyway.
Hey, Ashley.
Anyway, after that will pretty much wrap it up. And SG2413 is signing out.